Your paycheck is not the problem. The timing is. You get paid every 2 weeks, but your biggest bills don't arrive neatly every 2 weeks, right? That's why your bank account can look fine on payday and feel broken a few days later. So in this video, I want to show you 3 cash flow traps that make responsible people like you feel like they're bad with money even when you are not. Let's begin. The first trap is trying to follow rules like the 50, 30, 20 before you actually know where you are. You hear advice like this: 50% you put for your needs, 30% are for your wants, and then 20% for your savings. This all sounds great on paper, but then the real life shows up. Things like mortgage, daycare, and bunch of other bills. Now for most of the families in 30s and 40s, your fixed costs are nearly 70% of your income. So before you optimize anything, just look at your real numbers first, and it's very easy. You can just do it with me. If your monthly income is paid bi-weekly, you have 2 deposits coming in every month. Just add those up. That's your inflow. Now for the expenses, just look at the major ones first and the fixed ones. So it's the mortgage or rent, and then your credit card bills. You just average the last 3 months, car payments, insurance payments. Now add these up and just multiply it by 1.2 just to add the miscellaneous expenses. And this is your total. So for example, if you have $9,000 as the inflow and this comes out to be $8,100, you actually only have $900. Such a low breathing room, right? It's not a budgeting problem. And that's why the 50, 30, 20 feels impossible. It's the simple math. But even if this math works, there is another problem. Your money may work on paper, but not in your checking account. Normally, whenever the mortgage, daycare, credit card bills all hit around the same time or in the same week, your paycheck gets wiped out, and the next one feels very comfortable. That's why your bank balance lies to you. The solution is very simple. You just build a buffer account. Whenever the paycheck comes into your account, you move a little bit of that amount in a separate savings account, and you keep repeating that cycle. So slowly that savings account keeps on becoming bigger, and that helps you whenever this interim phase is there. When one paycheck comes in, all the bills hit, and the extra money you can use from this buffer. But ideally, even better would be to have all your expenses from this single account. Call it the expense account, and then all your income should go into a separate account, a separate bank ideally. Every month you move a fixed amount into your expense account. That will take care of all your timing problems, no matter whenever the paycheck comes in. But even after all this and a buffer, life still throws surprises at you, and that's why we need to think about the next step. Think of money like learning to drive. Everyone wants to drive on the highway because it's super easy. But first you have to leave the garage, navigate the small streets, stop signs, even bad drivers. Personal finance is exactly like that. As soon as you have your monthly routine under control, surprises hits you. Things like 6 months of insurance premium, child's sudden activity or medical bills, car breaks down, even you need to do renovations inside the house, or you lose a job. This is why your buffer, the one that you built before, you need to expand it into the emergency fund. Keep collecting money there until you can manage about 3 to 6 months of expenses over there. Until then, no investing, no fancy stocks, no day trading. Build the system first, and then you can grow your wealth consistently over a long period of time. It was never you, it was the timing. Now you know your real number, your gaps, and your armor. That's what being good with money actually looks like. Want the exact order to build it? Then up here is my Start Here playlist. Check it out. And that's it. Keep at it, be patient, and I'll see you on the other side.